Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. In a world where YouTubers chase views, fame, and money, there exists a rare breed of creators who are using their platforms for something much greater. They are feeding the hungry. They are clothing the poor. They are building homes for the homeless. They are Jamaica's top humanitarian YouTubers. From the busy streets of Kingston to the hills of rural Jamaica, these content creators are on the front lines of charity. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on Auntie Donna, Color Summit TV, Kina Life in Jamaica, Shan Zen Zen, Shanika Smith, Rocking with Mrs. Ellis, J.A. Street Struggles, Giovanni J.A., and T-Nation. Prepare to be inspired because their mission is bigger than themselves. This is not just another YouTube story. This is a movement. Color Summit TV, the leader of the pack. Color Summit TV is not just a channel. It's a network. Known as the leader of the pack, Colors has mentored creators like Pappy Spearfishing, Teabag Lifestyle, and others, building a family of humanitarian YouTubers. Together, they tackle large-scale charity operations, feeding hundreds, constructing homes, and providing assistance to those in need. Colors believes in collaboration over competition. His subscribers trust him not only because of his work, but because of his transparency. Every dollar raised is shown on camera. Every meal served documented. His philosophy: if we lift each other, we all will rise. Color Summit TV is proof that leadership is about serving others. Isa, take your time. No joke. Auntie Donna, the queen of charity. From her kitchen to the streets, Auntie Donna, also known as Donna Go, has transformed lives. Her early YouTube days were simple cooking, but soon her audience became her allies in charity. Through her famous plankers, Donna raised millions in Jamaican dollars to build homes, send kids to schools, including universities, and rescue families from poverty. What sets Auntie Donna apart is her transparency. Every dollar collected was shown, every purchase explained, every beneficiary highlighted. She didn't just collect donors' money, she built trust. Her energy, humor, and honesty have made her a national icon. And beyond the donations, she offers something priceless, and that's hope. Kina Life in Jamaica, the youth builder. Kina Life in Jamaica is more than just a name. It's a promise. Kina believes in fixing problems, not waiting for others to act. He builds homes, repairs roofs, paints schools, and trains young Jamaicans with practical skills. His viewers don't just watch, they participate. Donations from subscribers fund most of Kina's projects. What started as one young man fixing a neighbor's house has become a nationwide mission. Kina's impact spreads like ripples across Jamaica, and every nail he hammers, every wall he paints, is proof that change begins when one person decides to care. Shanika Smith, popularly known as Shan Zen Zen, may not be loud, but her actions echo across Jamaica. From silent school drives to personal donations to elderly care, she embodies the philosophy of giving without fanfare. Her subscribers respect her humility and are inspired by her consistency. In a world craving viral moments, Shan Zen Zen provides that real impact often happens off camera. Giovanni J.A., from pranks to purpose. Once known for his entertaining pranks, Giovanni J.A. found a higher calling. Realizing the power of his platform, Giovanni shifted his content from comedy to compassion, focusing now on charity drives and helping the less fortunate. From helping street children to organizing back-to-school giveaways, Giovanni's journey is one of growth and purpose. He believes laughter connects people, but compassion changes lives. His subscribers are watching not just a YouTuber, but a young man evolving into a community leader. Giovanni J.A.'s message is clear. It's never too late to choose purpose over popularity. J.A.'s street struggles, the voice of the forgotten. Some say the truth hurts, but J.A.'s street struggles believes the truth heals. His channel isn't about shock value. It's about humanizing Jamaica's homeless population. He tells their stories, names their struggles, and challenges Jamaicans to care. Behind every interview is a mission. Give dignity to the forgotten. And with every subscriber, his voice gets louder. J.A.'s street struggles isn't just flaming poverty. He's fighting it. T-Nation, the street soldier. T-Nation walks Jamaica's streets not as a vlogger, but as a humanitarian. His lens focuses on the overlooked, the homeless men sleeping in doorways, the elderly woman begging for food, the young boy washing car windows just to eat. His mission: serve one meal, one blanket, and one smile at a time. Every video isn't staged, it's raw reality. What makes T-Nation stand out is his dedication. Rain or shine, he shows up. And behind every act of kindness is a heart determined to make Jamaica better. His videos remind us, you don't need millions to make a difference. Just compassion and action. J. Bud the Baker, the culinary humanitarian. Food is love, and J. Bud the Baker lives by this motto. Using his baking skills, J. Bud feeds hundreds weekly. He doesn't ask questions. He doesn't seek praise. He simply cooks, bakes, and shares. His channel documents these journeys, from the hot ovens to the humble street corners where he hands out fresh meals. His story is a simple one. A man who used his talent to serve humanity. And in every meal, there's more than just nutrition. There's hope. Rocking with Mrs. Ellis, the street mother. To the homeless of Jamaica, she's not just a YouTuber. She's simply mommy. Rocking with Mrs. Ellis doesn't just give. She connects. Her interviews are raw conversations, breaking down stereotypes. Her compassion is real. Her tears unscripted. By hugging, feeding, and listening, Mrs. Ellis shows that sometimes kindness is the best camera lens. And her subscribers, they join her on the journey of helping others. In Jamaica, charity isn't just about money, it's about heart. And these YouTubers prove that social media can be a force for good. From meals to homes, from interviews to silent donations, their impact is real. So the next time you watch a YouTube video, remember this. Every view can feed a soul. Every share can build a house. Every subscriber can change a life. Support these channels. Support this movement. Because Jamaica's greatest treasure isn't its beaches. It's the heart of its people. This is Jamaica.